We're going to talk about navigating Blackboard. And so, first thing you want to do is go to the WNCC homepage, which is just www.wncc.edu. Click on My WNCC. Next, you'll have to log in. You'll click here to sign into your class link. You'll enter your WNCC email address and your password. If you've not ever utilized it, you'll have to click here. If you forgot your password, you'll click on the second blue text. Once you click on, you log in, it's going to take you to your class link page. So your icons may be different than mine, but it will be something like this. So you can see right here is your email link. Class schedule, I don't have that, but you'll be able to click on that and see your class schedule. And then Blackboard is where you go for your classes. Here's the landing page, looks the same for everybody. So your name will be here. This right here, this page is just some helpful links. When you go to your profile, you can set up your notification settings. So if I click on stream notifications, it gives me these options. The envelope, I can pick how often I want to be notified, as well as, again, more options for what I want to be notified about. And then if you download the Blackboard app, there's also push notifications. And you can also get reminders about due dates on that. The activity stream just lists upcoming activities for the current day, as well as recent activities. You'll see calendar. That will show all your stuff on your calendar, all your classes. Messages, you can click on that and go see what messages you have pertaining to certain classes. Your grades is going to show your grades for all your classes. I want to get into course specific stuff. So we're going to go to courses. And this shows current courses for me. I like clicking on the current term, hitting the down arrow and going here. Now you can see your classes by clicking this way and have them listed like this. And you can see I have more classes. I've favorited some of them by clicking on the little star over here. If you click on the grid, it's going to show your classes with some pictures, so they just look a little prettier. So we're going to go into your basic math class. When you go into your class, you'll see a menu on the left, the details and actions. To join office hours, Blackboard Collaborate, join session. Office hours are not required. Those are just times during the week that I have that you can drop in virtually and get questions answered. Calendar, again, this is showing course specific due dates. And so again, like on the 24th, you can see there's something there. If we go to that, that's showing the virtual office hour. So get familiar with that, click through things. Here's how you can get to discussions. They will also be in the learning modules. Usually I just have a discussion the first week of class. You have ways to collaborate, like if you have questions on assignment, I have that set up, so I'll show you some of those things. And then here's the course gradebook and course messages. So for the course messages, there's a plus sign over here. It's kind of off screen, but it's to the right. You can send a message to the whole class. You can send it to specific people. Type your email, and then there's a send button down on the bottom right. So that's how you will utilize messages. If you've taken classes before, there was course email. I am using the Ultra view, which is a newer view. Most of your classes are going to be in original, so it may look a little different. Now here's where we get to your course content. Notice these little circles here. This is how you can track your stuff. I click on Welcome to Basic Mathematics. There's only one thing in here. I read it, I come out, I click on it, it checks that it's done. Same with getting started. There's lots of things in here. Click on it. The one thing that I do like is there's left and right arrows, so you can navigate through it left and right. You can go back to something. And then when I close out of it, you can see, so I clicked on a few things. If I wanted to say I was done with that, I could check it off. And it won't let you check them until you have gone through it. So I want to get into week 1 and show you how my weeks are laid out. So always have a to-do list for you. So there's the to-do list. You can see there are introductory videos, how to navigate Blackboard, how to create a discussion post, and how to navigate Pearson. Your discussion, I'm going to show that in another video, how you do that. You'll have some introductory assignments. So if I click on that, there's a syllabus quiz, contact information assignment, academic integrity and user authentication, as well as the pretest. You guys, the pretest, you get 10 points on your test grade for doing the pretest. No calculators, no apps, no cheating. You have 30 minutes, no phones, no nothing. I just want to see what you know on your math, so please don't cheat. Also, if you can do it on a computer, please do it on a computer. I checked it, like every question looked fine. When I'm on my tablet, sometimes it makes a couple of the images don't come through. So I would try and do it on a computer if you can. Each folder, each learning module has folders. They're going to be set up the same way the whole semester. So if I go into 1.1, you're going to see I have the notes. And then I have, and you can arrow through it. Then I have videos. I have 3 videos for this one. I try to keep them 5 to 10 minutes long. And then the link to the Pearson homework. Go to 1.2, same thing. They're all laid out the same way. And you guys, don't be tempted to skip the videos. The videos are very helpful. I take a lot of time to provide you information and show you different ways to do things. This class is going to give you a strong foundation for your classes in the future. I didn't mention right here in the getting started is your class syllabus and schedule. You'll need to go through that to answer the questions on the syllabus quiz. I think that's it for just basic navigation of Blackboard. Be sure to let me know if you have more questions. Thank you.